Hi guys, samahan niyo ako. Buksan natin lahat ng mga pinamili natin because nag-payday sale, dumating sila kaagad. And these are the products that I've been wanting to buy for the longest time. So, let's go. One is from Happy Skin. Actually, dalawa siya because I think minaximize ko yung voucher nito. Nagdalawang checkout ako. Ah yes, now I remember bakit dalawang checkout. Kasi parang halos buy one take one sila. And hindi ko makukuha kung ang bibilihin ko ay more than 2. Or mas maximize ko siya kung talagang dalawa lang yung binili ko. Water lip and cheek tint. Ayan, maganda na yung nakuha kong discount dito. I'll put the amount sa taas. So these are all discounted already. And then, nung na-realize ko na may voucher pa talaga na mas malala, kapag buy one take one yung bibilihin mo, I bought another 2. So, ayan, naging 6 sila. I'm so excited to swatch this dahil maganda daw talaga siya. And grabe talaga yung binigay nila na discount. Hala, malalaglag pa. Marami talaga, as in. Ayun. So, this is a really, really good purchase. Okay, here's another one from TikTok Shop. Inuulan as if hindi mo naman alam na ikaw bumili nito, di ba? Ay, okay. Tada! Ayan. This is from Eliza. Nakita ko na to sa TikTok na talagang ginagamit siya ng maraming influencer. Glue-free lashes. Convenient for me to buy. Bumili pa ako ng mga eyelash remover. I bought these 3 types of lashes. I chose this one. I think this is a set. Yun yung mga binili ko. So, I'm excited to try this out. Next is this one. This is from Peripera. Ayan, may freebie sila ulit na parang sako na maliit na pouch. Butter Bear Tint by Peripera. Meron talaga tong, may nag-discount sila nito nung nilabas nila. So, I bought the Peripera number 13. This is a, parang yung Sakura card captor na version. Ayan, ang cute. And then, the number 11, Hip Rose. I think this is one of the best sellers. So, we will try this out very soon. I got the number 30, Happy Berry Ink Glow Mood Glowy Tint. Ayan, tapos may pa-stickers pa sila. Ang cute. Banitang nga kasi ang pinapromote. Very cute skin, sabi. So, these are the 4 products I got from Peripera. Oh, okay. Alam ko na to. Can you see the sparkle in my eyes? Ayan. Okay, I bought press-on nails. Ano na ba to? Ayan, this one. This. Ang cute! Oh my God! And then, syempre, meron silang mga kasama. Lahat naman, per package, lahat yan may kasamang ganyan. I think ito, freebie siya. For the nails that I bought, ayan naman siya. Nalagay ko siya dyan. Press-on nails. So, ayan. I think I bought this 169 each. Ganda! So, may glue naman nakasama yung mga nails kanina. But, sa different store, meron silang binibenta na glue and also a remover. So, this is a remover and then this is a glue. Okay, para safe lang din yung pagtanggal natin ng nails. Next is, doon na siya! Roman! Ayan. Bakit dalawa? Kasi nga, nung nasa live sila, they gave enough vouchers. So, parang pag nag-purchase ka ng isa, so makukuha mo siya ng ganitong amount. Pero kapag bumili ka ng may mga kasama siya, parang hindi na ganun yung discount. So, parang chinek ko lang yung value niya individually. Kaya nag-check out ako ng parang magkakahiwalay na transaction. Ganon. Naka-color key. Juicy Lasting Tint. This is in Jujube. Jujube. Bestseller daw yan. So, these are the 2 Gloss, Peony Ballet, and Rose Finch. Hippie Berry in Kaya Fig na Lasting Melting Balm. So, these are the lip balms. Another Juicy Lasting Lip Tint in Juju Fig. So, Juju Fig tsaka Jujube. So, yun ang cute. So, I have these from Romand. Inaabangan ko lang si Romand for the longest time. Kaya ganun. At may humabol pa ulit talaga. Romand Juicy Lasting Tint in Fig. Ano yung mga swatch nito? We will swatch this one. Medyo madami tayong pinagbibili. Hi guys! So this is the next batch of our payday haul. So samahan nyo ako, i-unbox natin sila. Okay, let's start off with this one. Ayan. Wow, may free gift. Yes, thank you sa free gift. Ayan, may free gift tayo. This is from Get Ready With Me. I got the tinted lip glaze, may glossy lip stain. So medyo ito yung uso lately dahil hindi na ano yung matte. I got the Duo, Rose Veil Duo and the First Kiss Duo. These are the duos. Meron siyang lip liner and then the Lip Max Nourishing Lip Balm. I want to try this out dahil nakita ko si Kylie nag-release siya ng bago niyang kit. And then, yung nirelease niya is parang ganon, glossy kit siya. And then, nakita ko si Get Ready With Me. I think this is katapatan nun. I always like the packaging of Get Ready With Me. Ganyan. Gusto ko yan. Parang the products felt so safe. Diba? Uso, June Bride released something, a wedding kit. Ayan siya. It's a wedding kit. It's a set na. It has face, pang eyes. Alam mo yun, parang it's a set. I'm really excited na yung may lalagyan. Tapos, parang siyang puzzle, ilalagay mo to lahat dun sa loob. Exciting. Next. Eto na. Ito na yung next. Haha! I think ang mga pinagbibili ko, mga set talaga siya. It's from Absidy. Parang na-addict tayo sa Absidy lately, no? Love Bug and Taffy. This is the glazing serum. Tada! The Glow Code. Holiday Kit. I got the Glow Code. Ayan, may mga freebie siya. Freebie siya na bag, na pouch. We will try this out really soon. Absidy baka naman. This is, I like the bags. Actually, ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng mga bags. 2NW Beauty Base. So, I bought the foundation. Foundation ng Absidy and then complexion blur and then the powder brush. Weightless Touch Color Corrector. So, this is for the under eyes, I think. Baka may natapon ako. Your next purchase, the eye cream. Soul 1988 eye cream. Okay, para sa ating mga under eyes, this is a retinol. Ilalagay siya for anti-wrinkles. Kat yan. Gave me a freebie of Purito sunscreen. By the way, ito hindi rin siya ganun kamura ha. Gaabang lang talaga tayo ng mga voucher. Look how much I bought that. Okay, next is this one. Ano natin ulit? Oh! I wanted to buy this for the longest time. This is the Dental Whitening Strip from Pure Form. So, try din natin siya dahil yung marami akong coffee stains. I love coffee and my teeth has been yellowish dahil nga kaka-coffee. We will try if this can save my teeth and make it white. Hey, this is Amy, and if you like this kind of videos, do follow for more and we'll see you again soon. Bye!